Friends, it is self-care Saturday. You guys should see my face. I have on a mask, so I'm not going to show you, but I really ran into Marshall's today to get some candles, and I love the Manly Indulgence candles. Usually I can get it from there, but they usually come a lot bigger, but this is the ones they had, so those are my favorite. And then I just kind of went OD on like the beauty session, and I wanted to show you guys my finds. One, these charcoal pore strips. These are beautiful. They hurt though, but I'm gonna use this tonight after I finish cleaning off my clay mask. Today on my nose, because I just feel like I want to get my face right. We're going into a new season, and I want to clean those pores around my nose. I stay with Jamaican black castor oil, so I just picked up this bottle. I always keep, I probably have 4 or 5, but this is all an essential part of what I use on my natural hair. I wanted to give this a try. I mean, this actually may go back. I have to do some research. It says illuminating body lotion. So I thought this would be cute if it really kind of makes you pop for the summer, right? I jumped at seeing this in this size leave-in conditioner. I'm planning to kind of get in a regular routine, every 2-week routine, and I love leave-in conditioners. It has a lot of the good ingredients I like on it. Hold on, sorry y'all. Okay, so the key ingredients that this really has are shea butter, peppermint, which is, y'all, crucial to growing your hair, and apple cider vinegar to keeping your hair clean. So I got about 3 of those. Not that I need any more palettes, but I saw this Maybelline, and it had like some really cute colors for the summer, and just something I can keep in my purse. And then, of course, as if I don't have enough, I saw some lashes. These are some like 3D lashes. They Lily lashes from Sephora Connection. This is the Havana. And at first I wasn't going to get it because I already have a ton of lashes. But then it was like $7.99. Let me get those. I also got the London pair as well. And of course, if you guys want to see any of these on me, y'all better holla at your girl. Leave a comment below. Then another key to my skin popping are these polishing towels. I racked up on those. And then here's kind of like whether I should keep this or not. But when I saw it, I was just like, wow. Every lippy in the NYX soft matte lip cream. Every color, but I already have like 10 of these already, so I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm debating on keeping this or not. I thought it was a good value because I think each of these are like $6, right? 6 times 5 is 30, which is probably what I've spent, and this whole set was $30. Not that I would use every color, but I don't know. That's what I got too. So those are kind of my beauty goodies, and I just wanted to quickly show those to you guys.